Today we're installing my side skirts and my rear spats. Let's go. First step is to take off our rear wheels. That was so hard. Now the other side. Now we have to jack up the rear. Jack it high enough to get the rear wheels out. So that space is good enough because you're literally just taking off the wheel. So we're taking off the lug nuts. Side skirt time. I got these side skirts, they're pretty cute. They look amazing. My boyfriend's putting the double-sided tape for me. Okay, now we peel off the double-sided tape, put it on before we put on the self-tappers.
Alright, make sure it's flush before you start putting the tape in.
Is it good on your side?
Yeah.
Line it up. Turning the wheel out that way so we can have space. These are the ones I'm using. Same thing to the other side. To this side, I have to turn the wheel though this way, so I can have some space. We're done with the side skirt, and it looks so bomb. Alright, now we're gonna do the rear spats. Same thing, double-sided tape, self tappers, and we're set. So as I was trying to let the glue sit, my rear spat dropped, and look at this. So I'm gonna get it repainted. So I'm just gonna put my wheels back on and be done. Sick. And we're done. Thanks for watching.